Good morning, everybody. Thank you for coming. The Tories and Labour have wrecked the public finances. Reform UK will restore them. For decades now, the Tories and Labour have suffocated the British economy, wasted billions of pounds every year prioritising foreign citizens, giving us the most expensive energy costs in the world, and raising tax as a percentage of GDP in this country to the highest levels since World War II. Let's talk about the Tory record. They claim to be the party of fiscal responsibility, the ones who help us live within our means. They managed to run a deficit in every single one of their 14 years in power. They managed to triple the national debt and make everyone miserable in the process. And they blew up people's mortgages for good measure. Labour are just as bad. According to Capital Economics, Rachel Reeves is raising taxes on British people, post the budget that's coming, at a faster rate than any Chancellor in 55 years. Unemployment in this country is already at a 4-year high and trending higher, and that's to say nothing of the millions who are not in that number because they're not actively seeking work. And inflation remains sticky at 3.8%, well above the target rate for the Bank of England, which is why so many in this country are struggling with the cost of living. The cost of living is intolerable. The prices in the supermarket seem to go up seemingly on a weekly basis. We have rents going up all the time. Mortgages never seem to get any cheaper, and don't even get us started on energy bills, which people are petrified to even open. And speaking of energy, this country has the highest industrial energy costs in the world. There is not an example on the planet of a high-growth economy with the kind of energy prices Britain has, nor have there ever been, nor will there ever be. So, the political class are running this country's economy off a cliff. Britain is headed for economic catastrophe unless we urgently change course. And that's not just me or Nigel saying that. The warning lights in terms of sovereign debt are already sounding and are already flashing, and the alarms are sounding. The 30-year borrowing costs for the United Kingdom in terms of gilts are already not far off multi-decade highs, and seemingly every week we hear of another global multinational that is pulling investments from the UK. As Prime Minister, Nigel Farage will restore the public finances and restore and revive confidence in the United Kingdom. You know, despite the best efforts of the political class, we still have an awful lot going for us in this country. 3 of the top 10 universities on the planet are here on these little islands. We have more than our fair share of brilliant people in this new era. We also have millions upon millions of strivers and grafters, men and women who set their alarm clocks before they go to bed and rise early in the morning to go to work. And I promise you this, as Prime Minister, Nigel Farage will be their champion. So, without further ado, please let me introduce you to the leader of Reform UK, Nigel Farage.